Hello, this is our lesson for today. The letters P and L makes the sound pl, and S and L makes the sound sl. Okay, let's start. Play, play, plant, plane, slide, slip, slow, slim. What is it? It's a plate. It's play. It's plant. It's a plane. It's slide. It's slip. It's slow. It's slim. We play on the slide and we go to sleep. We play on the slide and we go to sleep. Bye-bye.